Hi, do you want to know how to schedule a live video on your Facebook page for business? Then you're going to want to watch this video as we go into detail on how to use Facebook scheduling software to schedule a live video for your Facebook business page. Hi, my name's James Hannan from Rise Social Media, where we help you successfully market and sell your products online. Today we're talking about how to schedule a live video on your Facebook business page. So that's what we're covering today. So if you like the idea of knowing how to schedule a live video on your Facebook business page using Facebook scheduling tools, then you're going to want to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit that little bell icon so you receive a notification every time we go live and produce a brand new video for you right here on YouTube. Okay, we're going to show you now how to schedule a live video from a Facebook page. So scheduling a live video from a Facebook page. You come here to your Facebook page. You can see I'm here on mine video up the top here. We want to do a live. So we click here. Now I'm in Business Manager, which is a little different. So your page may or may not be inside of Facebook's Business Manager. Mine is. I come here, I click on the live button. That will now take me over to the Creator Studio. Now, the Creator Studio, you can do everything from the Creator Studio, whether it's your profile going live or your business page, your Facebook business page. So we're just going to do it now here inside of our studio. So now what we want to do is we want to go live we want to schedule a live video. We want to choose the date. Now down here, we get to choose the date that we are wanting to go live on. So let's set this up. We can go 7 days in advance. So let's go, let's say tomorrow, and we'll make that for 12 o'clock. 12 p.m. tomorrow. Now, I don't want to share it onto my timeline. I actually want to share it onto my page. So share to a page I manage. Now, if you had come in through Business Manager, because it was taking a little bit of time here, it did change things, would have changed it automatically to the page I'm managing. So we'll just change this up again. So we're going to do this tomorrow at 12 o'clock. And now we come here, change the page I manage, where Sim is where is not the page I want to put this on. And now I change it to my own personal page. Now from here, we want to make it very clear and we want to make it enticing for a person to come to view the information or view the Facebook Live. So in here, we want to have, I've already written a post or an article that I'll put with the live, but what I'll do is I'll just type up something here for the headline. Again, if you haven't grabbed our copy of the 10 Facebook headline tips, then grab that now. So we go here, I'll put in a nice little emoticon, and the emoticon I'm going to use here is a siren, and not knowing what to post on your Facebook page is costing you money. Okay. All right, so from here, so we've got this coming down here. And now here's one of the big things that you can do with posting or from a Facebook or doing scheduling a live from a Facebook page is you can cross post. Now we have a few different pages. This was a test page. This is my Marketplace Kings page, which is specifically for men. This is my martial arts page. These are a few clients. This is my Christian page. So what I do is I can schedule where I want that live to appear. Now, because I am an admin on those pages, that's where they will appear. So I press save, and now my live is going to be scheduled onto those pages. Now, if these pages, if I was only going to go on my normal page, I could actually also share it into a group that I am admin for. This is a really big way, simple way for you to be able to go live on your page and your group if you're sharing the same information. So if I clicked here, it would come up with the groups that I could go live in from this page. We can't do that because I'm going to cross-post into other pages, and those pages are not connected to that group. So at the moment, Facebook don't allow it. That may change in the future, who knows. Next, you have a few options over here on the right-hand side. These are all to do with streaming keys and that kind of thing, which is a little difficult, more advanced. We won't go into that today. Settings, your streaming. Now, at the end of your live video, if the stream, so end the live video if the stream stops. So let's say you have your internet break and it doesn't allow you, and no one can receive it, then they'll stop the live stream, okay? Let's say you want to, and you want your video to go live, but people may not be on Facebook, so you can actually put it on a website page that you have. You just embed this copy. And if you choose that you don't want your live video to be seen by people after it's done, you can click here. Now, one of the powerful things of that is, so it makes sure a person is there to watch the video. So if you want to really create that fear of missing out, or then that FOMO, then that's a really good way of saying this video will not be available after the broadcast, and that will ensure people are there to watch it. Viewing, allow viewers to rewind. Now, here is auto-generated caption. Don't click this. It gets in the way for people. You can have it if you want. However, it can be a problem for some people to actually see the information that's coming up on your screen. Now, down here, you can choose who you would like to comment. Now, the part over here, which is really interesting, is the image. Now, an image grabs people's attention. If I just left it like this, this is what the person will see, which isn't a bad image, actually. However, it doesn't have a call to action on the image, and we want to have a call to action. So what we do is we actually go over to Canva, and inside Canva, you can actually create a template, and the template you would use inside Canva is a Facebook event template. That's the one to use. Now, we've already redesigned designed a template here just for saving time, and I'll fix this time up. What was the time, Naomi?
Tomorrow.
12 o'clock. Okay, so 12 tomorrow, and it's Friday, because we did a video a moment ago, and I said Tuesday when it was supposed to be Thursday. Now, what I want to do is download that and come down here. It's the first image. I don't want all of them. Done. Download. Now, I'll download it onto my computer. I come back over here and I select my image. Now, this is going to be the image I use, and it'll upload, and you'll see all of a sudden it pops up over here, and the arrows, because I set it up that way, are right over the top of the Get Reminder button. Why is that important? Well, when people click that, they'll receive a notification from Facebook that the live is about to start. And it's really, really important that that happens. Now, it says 12 p.m. today, so let's have a look at my time. I haven't changed the date. There we go. So we go to tomorrow and 12 p.m. Okay, so always worthwhile checking things out, especially when you create an image like I did and make a mistake. And then what we do is we schedule that live. I'm actually going to schedule that live because I am going to do that tomorrow at 12 o'clock. Now, once that live is scheduled, we're going to be able to see the live has been scheduled to tomorrow at 12 p.m. Great, close. If we come up here, and we'll be able to see upcoming live videos. Now, we'll open this up, and you can see that there it is. That's the upcoming tomorrow at 12 o'clock. Now, if I wanted to see, I could also see in here if I wasn't on my page, if I was just on my timeline, okay, and then I came back into here, it would actually show up any that I've got on my timeline scheduled as well. So this one, as you can see, for today
2 o'clock, I've got one for today, but this one actually says Tuesday instead of Thursday. So that's how you schedule a live with a Facebook page, or Facebook business page, or how you schedule your Facebook business page live. And remember, follow our simple steps. If you haven't grabbed our 10 Facebook headline tips, you want to get it to make sure that your people are there to watch your video.
So hi, it's James here. So if you enjoyed that video on how to go live or schedule a live video on your Facebook business page, then make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit that bell icon so that you receive a notification every time we produce a brand new video for you right here on YouTube. You know, your business and your dreams are too important for them to perish, and we look forward to helping you succeed.